Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and these are the new Lenovo Legion laptops announced at E3 2018. They've been redesigned from the ground up to offer high performance without the flashy and juvenile look. Up first is the Legion Y530, which is the mainstream option. It has a textured ABS plastic body with a narrow 3-sided bezel design and dual-side venting. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 144Hz refresh rate. Under the hood is up to 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, up to 32 gigs of RAM, and up to 512 gigs SSD with a 2TB hard drive option. Most of the ports are on the back of the laptop, but you have a couple of USB Type-A ports on the sides. There's also USB Type-C, mini DisplayPort, another USB Type-A, HDMI 2.0, Ethernet jack, power input, and Kensington lock. It weighs starting at 5.1 pounds and is less than an inch thick. I like that this machine doesn't have red accents all over the place that you'll find on most gaming machines. Even the keyboard only has white backlight. The Lenovo Legion Y530 is available in June 2018, starting at $930. If you're in the US, Lenovo will also be selling the Legion Y7000, which is basically the same as the Y530, except it has an aggressive Y logo on its top aluminum cover. That gaming laptop will be available in August 2018. The higher-end option is the Lenovo Legion Y730. It has an all-aluminum body with RGB lighting. Internals are the same as the Y530. You'll get up to 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics, up to 32 gigs RAM, and up to 512 gigs SSD with 2TB hard drive. You have options for a 15-inch or 17-inch display with Full HD resolution and 144Hz refresh rates. For ports, you get one Thunderbolt 3, audio jack, USB Type-A, USB Type-C, mini DisplayPort, HDMI 2.0, Ethernet, AC adapter, and Kensington lock. It also has 6 custom macro keys on its RGB backlit keyboard. The Legion Y730 will be available in September 2018, starting at $1,180 for the 15-inch model and $1,250 for the 17-inch model. Let us know what you think of these new gaming laptops from Lenovo. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.